Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group, and let's jump right into this one. Today's poster wanted to know how to add a reflection on a picture, and the difference was that this picture had to be black and white. So first of all, the picture itself wouldn't have too much reflection unless it was glossy. So let's pretend there was a glass on top of the picture. First, let's take the picture and make it black and white. Go to Image, and go to Enhance, Color, and we'll just simply remove the color. So that removed color on our image. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little more contrasty to bring out, and a little more brighter to bring out the highlights of the actual photo. That's just a little pre-luminance correction. Now let's go ahead and add some sort of reflection. I brought in two pictures. One was of a guy taking a photo, and the other one is going to be just a simple white triangle. So let's first start with the guy taking the photo. We're going to have him be the one taking the photo of our flower. So what we want to do first is distort it and then minimize the opacity. Let's first start with the distortion. We'll go to Filters and we'll go to Glass. Under Distort, hit the glass, and it's already set to automatically at distortion of 5, smoothness of 3. We're going to bring it a little more realistic looking like this. That'll give us a little bit of a glass feeling. Once we got that, we hit OK. And let's go back to our layers section, and let's go ahead and minimize the opacity of this so it looks like an actual reflection off the glass. It wouldn't be a lot. It doesn't need a lot. It literally needs like 15%, maybe even 10%. We'll try 10. Really, really subtle. So there's a reflection of the guy taking a photo of the flower right there. And let's go ahead now and add a triangle, a white triangle, that's going to represent a portion of a reflection of the glass itself. And we're just going to really lower this. I don't know, let's just say like 5%. Really, really subtle. And that gives us a feeling that it's another reflection off the glass. This is pretty much it for this tutorial. Look at that reflection. It looks nice and real. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.